Alrighty, hello, good day, and welcome. My name is Mr. JB, and today we are going through another Photopea tutorial. Today we are going through wrapping an object or a logo around an object. Now, my logo is round, so that means something. If you're doing square, it kind of means something else, or if your logo is more boxy. To start, I've just got my logo in here, my Coca-Cola logo. I'm just going to drag it to where I want to roughly place it. It should pretty much fit in the object that you're doing. If not, no big deal, we can make some adjustments in just a second to change that. With that layer selected, that's my top layer, that's my logo. I'm going to select edit and I'm going to go down to free transform. With that, I'm going to select the warp button up here on the top right, and it's going to change my menu. From here, depending on the angle that you're looking at and what your logo looks like, will kind of change which one of these you choose. If your logo is something more boxy, usually the custom, and then just fully adjust your stuff. But if your logo is more round, usually one of the arcs is one of the better ones in my opinion. And since we're looking at it from the above angle, we want to do the arc lower, and we're going to start doing some adjustments from here. Just going to end up dragging this up and just selecting inside some of these boxes to warp and drag to make it look the way we ultimately want it to look. And it's just about personal preference and a lot of tweaking to get this to look the best that it can. Now, with that, I'm actually pretty happy with how that turned out pretty quick. We're going to go up to the top and we're going to select the confirm button, which is this little check mark. And now, lovely. When you look at that, it doesn't look so great yet. So with our pure PNG selected, that's my Coca-Cola logo, I'm going to go to my layers option in the blending right here where it says normal. I'm going to drop that down and I'm going to go to multiply. That's going to help the program and the AI and the software select the shadows and do some color correction stuff to make it look like it actually belongs in here. And with that, that's all that this is. Now, a pretty quick tutorial, pretty cool effect when you end up getting it done. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.